And a typical fallout is rumors and gossips in the organization. So one of the most important and immediate aspect is the extensive communication. There is never a stage of over communication in M&A. It's very important for employees to know about what is the rationale of M&A, the long-term objectives. As there may be insecurities, employees would want to know at the earliest about the process and its impact on them as individuals, their teams, their function. So a good communication strategy would be a direct communication from top leadership, followed by multiple town halls, team meetings, so that the foundation for a smooth integration gets laid down. Now, another important part is to have a strong project management office, because systems and functions work together, and stakeholders are able to discuss about the change management plan and look at the risk and reduce kind of resistance that may be building in the organization. Important thing is to integrate organization processes at the earliest, because if there are multiple processes, like say with two different organizations getting merged together, then it still creates the silos. So the earliest we are able to get the common processes and common systems and deployment of policy, the separate silos and the borders are broken. And it's easier for people to start interacting, and the heartburn that somebody is getting something higher compared to the other person, that goes down. And one important aspect to handle that is the leadership training, because the leaders act as the change ambassadors or change accelerators. If leadership itself is not convinced, or they have lot of doubts, and employees look up to them for those answers, and they see that resistance or insecurity in the leadership, it has a very, very damaging impact on the entire integration. And the last part is the individual micro level for the employees itself. So as there are two organizations merging together, there will be different kind of benefits and policies for the employees. So the analysis of what is win-lose for various groups of the employees, and how do we really take care of that part so that employees feel comfortable, and there is a bouquet of process policies and benefits where maybe a win-lose is not so bad, and it does a fair balancing act is important. We may also need to come with say plan for reducing pain if there are certain changes, and also grandfather some policies for some reasonable period of time for some of those people who are impacted by that. So all this is important for good integration, fast integration, and taking employees together in the process of integration.